Understanding, see the back of, a phrase in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the intriguing English phrase, see the back of. It's a unique expression that might confuse learners at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly. So, let's get started. The phrase, see the back of, is a colloquial expression in English. It's used to describe a feeling of relief or happiness about the end or departure of something or someone undesirable. For example, if you say, "I'm glad to see the back of that old car," it means you're happy that the old car is gone. Understanding the origin of phrases can often help in grasping their meaning. The phrase, see the back of, likely comes from the literal action of watching someone or something unpleasant leave, and all you see is their back as they go away. It's a metaphorical way of expressing that you're glad that something unwelcome is no longer in your sight or life. Let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. After the final exams, students were happy to see the back of their textbooks. 2. She couldn't wait to see the back of her noisy neighbors who were moving out. 3. I'm looking forward to seeing the back of this long, cold winter. A common mistake is using the phrase in a positive context, where the subject is something you like or want. Remember, see the back of is for things or situations you're glad to be rid of. That's all on the phrase, see the back of. I hope this video clears up any confusion and helps you use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.